हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज वारिस जावेद। अभी हम फिर से नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं जो कि इंट्रोडक्शन टू क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। यहाँ पे मैं एक ईमेल अपना एडजस्ट कर डाल लेता हूँ। मोबाइल नंबर कुछ भी सही है। देन हमारे पास आंसर होगा व्हाट इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग रिप्लेसिंग। ऑप्शंस में जो है हमारे पास ऑल ऑफ द अबव, एंड देन आंसर है इसका डी। देन हमारे पास है व्हाट इज द नंबर वन कंसर्न अबाउट क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। This will be B, security concern. Then which of these companies is not a leader in cloud computing? So this will be answer C, Blackboard. Then Google lost is a type of cloud computing. So yeah, true. Which one of these is not cloud computing pricing model? So this will be D, ladder. Then which of these is not a major type of cloud computing usage? So this will be answer A. And internet connection is necessary for cloud computing interaction. So this will be answer A. True. Which is not a major cloud computing platform? So this will be B. IBM Deep Blue. Cloud in cloud computing represent what? So, internet. Which of these should company consider before implementing cloud computing technology? So this will be answer D, all of the above. A way to recognize a desktop computer. What exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing है क्या basically? So So answer C, cloud computing resources that can be accessed on demand like electricity from a utility. What widely used services built on cloud computing technology? So this will be Twitter. No, all of the above. So our number 13 आ जाता है. Which of these techniques is vital for creating cloud computing centers? So this will be A. And internet cloud is this will be C. Number 15 हमारे पास आ जाता है mesh provider with the cloud based service. So this will be A. So 16 आ जाता है cloud computing embraces many concepts that were previously touted as the next big thing in information technology. Which of these is not concept of the cloud? So this will be E. IBM, EMC, and Boeing were among companies singling Word document document whose title is reminiscent of a famous political statement. So this will be answer D, Open Cloud Manifesto. Then the term cloud computing is a metaphor that can oriented in what? So this will be answer A, a graphical description of computer architecture. Then हमारे पास आ जाता है 19, link the cloud-based service on the left with the desktop on or server application is designed to displace on right. So this will be A. What August event was widely seen as an example of the risky nature of cloud computing. So this will be answer B. Which of the following is true of cloud computing? मतलब इनमें से कौन सी जो है सही है statement? So the correct statement is B. What is a private cloud? क्या है private cloud? So this will be answer B. What Google Docs is a type of cloud computing? So yeah, true. गूगल डॉक्स क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग है जिसपे हमारा जो अभी मतलब क्लाउड ही चल रहा है ना, जैसे कि ये फॉर्म्स जहाँ पे जनरेट हुए हैं जहाँ पे सब पेपर हो रहा है हमारा, तो ये क्लाउड ही हुआ एक तरह से। देन हमारे पास हो जाता है व्हाट इज क्लाउड फाउंड्री? सो दिस विल बी आंसर सी, VMware LD ओपन सोर्स पास। This is a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by a vendor or service provider and made available to customers over a network, typically the internet. Number 26. So this will be answer C. 27. Which of the following statements about Google App Engine GAE is incorrect? So this will be answer C. This one. And then हमारे पास आ जाता है 28. तो 28 में हमारे पास होगा answer. I have a website containing all static pages. Now what I want to provide a simple feedback form for end user. I don't have software developer and would like to spend a minimum time and money. What should I do? Use Zoho Creator to build the requirement form. Zoho Mail, Zoho CRM. Okay. Then हमारे पास आ जाता है what is the name of organization helping to foster security standards? So this will be answer B, Cloud Security Alliance. Cloud in cloud computing represents what? Internet. Okay, repeated question. Next. Oh. So 22, I guess. So this will be B. And 23 is C. Okay, rest is good. Next. What second programming language did Google add App Engine development? So this will be C, Java. बहुत ही popular language है. What facet of cloud computing helps to guard against downtime and determines cost? So 32, and it will be A. Which of these is not a major type of cloud computing usage? So this will be A. Yeah, 33 will be A. And 34, cloud services have a dash relationship with their customers. So this will be B. Okay, then we're having what is the name of Rackspace Cloud Service? B, Cloud Services. 36. What is the name of the organization helping to foster security standards for cloud computing? So this will be answer B. 37. So 37, which of these companies specializes in cloud computing management tools and services? So this will be A. And next question is what is the most popular use case for public cloud computing today? So this will be answer A, test and development. Virtual machineWare, VMware, which is also known as VMware, is an example of infrastructure service. Google Apps Engine is a type of. Okay, so D and A. And then Okay. Which vendor recently launched a cloud-based test and development services for enterprises? So this will be C. IBM. Geographic distribution of data across a cloud provider's network is a problem for many enterprises because it uh, breaks compliance regulations. Amazon Web Services (AWS), which is a type of cloud computing distribution model. So this will be answer C. Infrastructure as a service. Cloud computing networks are designed to support only private or hybrid clouds. This will be B. A good cloud computing network can be adjusted to provide a bandwidth on demand. So this will be true. A larger cloud network can be built as either a layer 3 or layer 4 networks. Okay, so this will be true. No, this will be false. The typical 3-layer switching topology will not create latency within a cloud network. So this will be B. The term cloud in cloud computing refers to dash. So this will be A. 50. And the last. To participate in any cloud computing, you must using the following operating systems. All of these. Okay. So yeah, it's done. Now what you have to do that हमें इसको submit करना है. So हमने इसे submit कर दिया है. Then numbers देखते हैं कितना है. मैंने शायद गलत किए थे क्या लो. No, all are okay. Okay, so no problem. So 49 थे और 49 सारे सही हुए. 49 क्यों थे? Okay, so maybe हो सकता है repeat हो गया. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, share it, subscribe Omni Academy, and share the positive comments with us. Thank you so much.